Hey Rudy, my name is Brandon from Sublime SEO Pro, and in this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks on how you can outrank your online competition. So when you type in water damage restoration in Dallas, here's the front page. You've got your Google ads right here, you've got your map pack here, and then you've got your organic searches here. Dalworth currently is the #1 spot in the organic searches, so I'm going to compare their website right here to your website, and I'm going to show you why they are ranking higher than you and getting all that business. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I'm even making this in the first place. And I realized a while ago that most small business owners just don't have the time to do this because they're so focused on running the business, taking care of their customers, etc. And it's hard to go out and hire somebody because you don't really know who truly is an expert and who is not. So I've been starting to send out attack plans for free, just quick 5 to 6 minute videos to show small business owners that we're different and we can help you if you need it. You can also take this information and run with it if you'd like and do it on your own. That is totally okay too. I'm just hoping to provide some value to you and help you make some more money with your online presence. Okay. So today I'm going to talk to you about 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. So your website looks pretty good, man. I like it. It's clean. You've got your click to call right at the top, which is great. I like the logo. You've got your services here. It's a good looking website, but we need to make sure that it's actually generating revenue for you and not just serving as a digital business card. So what I'm doing here is I'm figuring out how many words are on your front page. I'm going to put it into this word counter here. And let's see how many words are on your front page. So you've got 830 words on your front page. The first thing that you can do is get your front homepage up to at least 1,500 words. The average website homepage on Google has 1,500 words. So if you can get that up to 1,500 to 2,000, that is a great step. But we need to make sure that the content is valuable to Google. So you need to make sure that all of these tabs are packed full of buyer intent keywords. So a buyer intent keyword is something that people are typing into Google commonly when they need your services. Okay, so water restoration expert in Dallas, that is a keyword. But we can find which keywords rank better than others. So DFW, fire damage restoration services, that's a keyword. So you've got some keywords in here already, which is great. But I'm going to show you, you can also save these pictures as keywords. Protect restoration services. So that's not really a keyword. That's not a buyer intent keyword. So you could say you could save that as water damage restoration Dallas. You can save this next one as Dallas water restoration, for example. Save all these as keywords throughout your entire website. But let's take a look at the analytics. So here is your website right here, and I have the Dalworth website up here as well. So let's go through yours first. So right now you guys have about 212 keywords throughout your website, and it's helping generate 87 people per month to your site. Now, take this with a grain of salt. These numbers sometimes aren't completely accurate. A lot of the times this traffic number can be about 5 to 10 times higher. But at least we can see how you relate to the other company. So 212 keywords. Compared to your top competitor, they have 3,600 keywords throughout their website. And as you can see, their traffic is much, much higher at 3,400 than yours at 87. Okay, so let's go look at what their keywords are. Just because they have 3,600 doesn't mean they're all buyer intent, by the way. Some of these aren't doing a lot for them. So Dallas pipes frozen, that's getting 150 volume per month. Water and fire restoration Dallas, that's a good one, 100 per month. Mold remediation Dallas, that's a good one, right? 250. So what I would do is go through all these keywords that they have, pick the top ones that have buyer intent, add them to your website somehow so that it flows grammatically, and then just get more keywords than them. So if they have 3,600, then you need to get more than that, and you need to make sure that they're better keywords. Okay, and then the next thing I want to talk about are backlinks. So backlinks right here are, this is your website. Backlinks is a link. A backlink is a link that links back to your website from another person's website. So this could be coming from a website, it could be coming from any website, but you want to make sure that they're relevant and trustworthy. So since you're in the restoration business, you want these backlinks coming from other companies within your sphere. So restoration, HVAC, plumbing, insurance. You don't want to link yourself to a Pizza Hut because Google knows that you are not in the food industry, so they won't rank you for that. Okay, so you have 106 backlinks currently coming from 46 different website domains. Your top competition has 3,200 backlinks coming from 689 domains. So again, it's a numbers game with this stuff. We need to make sure you're listed in all of the same websites and linked in all of the same ones that they have and more. Okay, so we need to figure out that we need to make sure that all of their backlinks are relevant and trustworthy. Add yourself to all of the same ones and then some so that you can outrank them there. So the way you do this is click on them, get listed, create a sign in and list yourself into these websites, and that will help you gain more backlinks. The last thing I want to talk to you about is how to get into this map pack. So this is all about citations. So you need to get more citations than Water, Mold, Fire Restoration of Dallas. And the way you do that is to add yourself to as many directories as possible. So a directory is anywhere you can place your business name, phone number, and address into that directory. So figure out if these guys are in 200, put yourself into 250, and that way you can work your way up into this top 3 map pack. Again, if it's working for these guys, Dalworth, and if it's working for Water, Mold, and Fire, you just have to beat them. You have to do what they're doing, but better. And they've done a lot of the hard work for you. You just need to beat them out in that. Okay. So if you can do those 3 things, just a quick recap. 1, increase your content on your homepage to 1,500 or 2,000 2,000 words, and put more keywords throughout your entire website so that you can beat out this company's number of keywords. And then you're going to want to beat out their number of backlinks as well. Make sure they're relevant and trustworthy websites that you're linking to. And then you need to list yourself in as many directories as possible to outrank your top competition. Okay? If you have any questions or comments or feedback, I would love to hear from you. If you need help with this, I am happy to help you. Or if you want to take this information and run with it yourself, that is totally okay too. I just hope that I gave you some valuable information in this video and that you learned something. All right, thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you, okay? Thanks so much. Bye.